Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple but elegant home decor DIYs using these beautiful metallic silver candle holders that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. The first thing that I noticed is that this year's version is a lot smaller than previous years. The older version could easily hold a medium-sized pillar candle, while the new version isn't quite large enough. Here's an easy way to still use these small candle holders to hold any size candle using two Dollar Tree round mirrors. I used a strong adhesive to add one of the mirrors to the top and bottom of the candle holder. Once my mirrors were in place, I pressed down firmly for about 20 seconds and then I allowed the glue to dry overnight. As you can see, my candle holder can now hold any size candle, including my favorite from Bath and Body Works. Of course, you can add embellishments to really glam up this design, but I like to keep my designs pretty clean and simple, so here's my finished look. I glued two of the candle holders together for a tiered look, and I think it turned out beautiful. Here's a different idea using those same candle holders and these 14-inch octagon mirrors that I picked up from the at-home store. If you don't have a local at-home store, you can also purchase a large square or round mirror from Hobby Lobby. The first thing I did was use my hot glue gun and alcohol to remove the stickers and the black tabs from the mirror. I then removed the sticker from my candle holder before using a strong adhesive to add four other candle holders to the back of my mirror. I then moved this to the side to dry before gluing together two of the candle holders to make four sets of two in total. It's been about 20 minutes, so I'm able to flip over the first piece of my design, but I really wasn't happy with the placement of the candle holders, so here I'm removing the candle holders and the glue and repositioning them. Removing the adhesive did take a bit of elbow grease, but I wanted more room in the center, so repositioning the candle holders only made sense. Here I'm using a simple ruler to ensure my candle holders are in good position. I then allowed the glue to dry for an additional 2 hours. From the front, there appears to be more open space down the center, and the legs are pushed further to the sides, which is what I was looking for. It's a minor change, but I think it made a big difference. Next, I'm adding my 4 candle holder pieces to both sides of the design. I'm aligning each piece with the candle holder on the bottom. I let that glue set for about 20 minutes before adding a second 14-inch mirror on top. Once my top mirror was properly in place, I again pushed down firmly for about 20 seconds. I then allowed this piece to dry overnight as well. To make a taller stand, I could always add more of the candle holders and an additional mirror, but I like this size because it is large enough to be placed on the floor, but also small enough to be placed on a countertop as well. I really love how both designs turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.